everyone, myself Santosh GP. I'm graduated in Advanced of Technology in 2021. Now I'm getting to know about the Emertxe technology, how it helped me to land to the core embedded company for seeking the jobs. First of all, I come to know about this institute by my friend previously who has got placed from this institute. So I eagerly joined to get into the embedded core domain company. So I joined this Emertxe. This Emertxe taught me a lot of things, means to upskill my skills in what and all the languages preferred for the embedded system. And the mentors were fantastic. They helped me a lot in clearing doubts, and whenever we require their need, they will clearing my doubts, and it helped me a lot to upskill my knowledge. Now I got a good opportunity and I got placed in the Avin system. The interview felt was smooth, and it was easy for me by learning the skills in the Emertxe. It helped me a lot to crack the interview, and it was the first interview I attended, and the first interview I cleared. Emertxe helped me a lot to build our career. So I recommend who are job seekers to join this Emertxe to upskill their knowledge to get into the core embedded domain. Thank you.